wisdom leads the world's development. Future is defined by science and technology. Hanbell Precise Machinery Company, the pioneer of wisdom, science and technology, the leader of world-class screw compressors. The LT compound two-stage screw compressor intakes low-pressure gas refrigerant from evaporator, and the refrigerant passes through the high-precision filter, then starts its first stage compression. After compression, the medium-pressure gas refrigerant comes into the motor chamber and mixes with refrigerant coming from the economizer to cool the motor. The refrigerant then arrives at the high-pressure side to complete the second stage compression. Finally, the high-pressure and temperature gas refrigerant is discharged and enters the external oil separator. The lubricating oil separated in the external oil separator is delivered to the compressor's oil inlet port through the external oil circuit, and the lubricant is supplied to the bearings, the capacity modulation system, and the compression chamber. LT compound two-stage screw compressor can be widely used in the fields of refrigeration, tunnel freezer, industrial process cooling, heat pump, central heating, agricultural dehumidifier dryer, and so on. The LT-S Series screw compressor is designed for refrigeration application. The LT-S Series screw compressor supplying cooling to tunnel freezer in the refrigeration system. The lowest evaporating temperature can reach minus 60 degrees, which makes the storage temperature as low as minus 18 degrees Celsius after passing the tunnel. This instant freezing keeps the original flavor of the food, and also for the long time storage. The LT-S-L series screw compressor is suitable for the application of higher initial suction pressure, such as the instant freezing without pre-cooling and liquid pump supply system. In practical application, when the evaporating temperature reaches 0 degrees Celsius, the LT-S-L compressor can run at full load. This makes the evaporating temperature dropped to the desired temperature quickly. Compared to the conventional compressor, LT-S-L compressor takes less time to reach the same evaporating temperature with higher efficiency, which achieves our target of energy saving, high efficiency, safety, and stability. The LT-S-H series screw compressor can produce high-temperature hot water with normal heat source, which is specially used to replace coal boiler in industrial and agricultural heating applications. The LT-S-H series screw compressor provides high-quality and low-cost heating source, which can be used in different fields: food processing, agricultural dehumidifier dryer, high-temperature heat pump application, and so on. In specific applications such as distillation process, LT-S-H compressor can produce 85 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius hot water and 5 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius cold water at the same time due to its high efficiency operation at high working lift, so that the hot water and cold water can be supplied stably at the same time. On one hand, the hot water can be used to distill the organic solvent and the purification process. On the other hand, the cryogenic cold water can be used for condensation of the distilled organic solvents, which reduces the volatilization in the process of organic solvent recovery and reduces the cost of organic solvent. More importantly, it effectively avoids the polluted emission from the boiler, truly realizing the replacement of traditional boiler by a new technology solution. Innovation and technology create the future. Hanbell Precise Machinery Company aims to create a green and low-carbon living environment.